Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between Google Workspace and GoDaddy Business Email in 2025 so you can decide which email solution is better for your business. So, for Google Workspace, it is clean, it has a modern interface, and it is easy to navigate via Gmail, Calendar, and Drive integration. On the other hand, for GoDaddy's user interface, it is simple as well but less integrated and mostly web mail interface. For the features, Google Workspace, it has Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Chat, and AI tools. On the other hand, GoDaddy domain or GoDaddy email, it has email, basic calendar, limited document storage, and fewer collaborative tools. For the storage, Google Workspace has 30 gig to terabytes per user depending on the plan, and for GoDaddy it has about 10 gig to 50 gig per mailbox. For pricing, Google Workspace it has $6 to $18 user plan a month, and for the GoDaddy it has a 5 to $15 a month plan. And for the security, Google Workspace has a two-factor authentication, and it has AI powered phishing detection. And for GoDaddy, it has standard security and less advanced AI detection. So for collaboration and productivity, then you should go for Google Workspace. But if you want simple email needs, then GoDaddy Business Email is for you. And yeah, that's basically just it. And choose the one that fits your business needs best. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.